Hello and welcome to the pregame. It's day 19. Day trading is risky, so learn a strategy like mine and practice it in a simulator before you put real money on the line. Thank you for joining me here at Eva Trades. And in this video, you'll be watching me place trades in the simulator. I do plan to be live trading, going live streaming very soon, every single day of the week. I will make an announcement on that coming up, and that'll be happening soon. The date right now on the simulator is September 16th, 6:25 in the morning, and we have 5 minutes until the market opens. So here's a look at my progress so far. 18 days, up $9,926, going for $10,000 today. Here's your gap scan. We have 3 stocks on the gap scan this morning, and the leading gapper is up 18%. This is not good, so could be a no trade day. I just want to warn you, there may not be a trade taken today. This is the saddest day I've seen so far. So we can break down the stocks. There isn't much to look at. One thing I haven't done is I haven't looked at the daily time frame. Now I have these two off of the gap scan. So SJ with the 1 and 5 minute, AAOI with the 1 and the 5 minute, and then UVXY. It's an inverse stock, meaning that it's more of one of the major players. It's not the smaller cap stocks that I typically trade. And it was on the gap scan this morning, which tells me that the market itself is probably dropping right now. I haven't actually looked at the market, but because UVXY is inverse, so it actually goes in the opposite direction from what the most stocks in the market would go. So like if SPY is going up, UVXY is going down. Today, UVXY is moving up, so SPY must be moving down. I'm probably not going to trade it, but there just wasn't anything else, and whatever. But yeah, let's look at the daily time frames and see if there's anything worth looking at, starting with SJ trading up at around $6, which is up here. So we have those levels for the dailies. Oh, okay. So 593. Excuse me. We got a third morning in a row I've got frogs in my throat. Where are those frogs coming from, man? So 593, you'll just have to live with it, I guess, is a pretty good level that we're coming up against right now. Okay, so keep that in mind. So $6, good daily level, and then there's not another level until $7.30. Okay. What about, so on AAOI, we're trading at around $3. Oh, so there's another one. Breaking below it though. I'll show you what I'm looking at. So we've already broken that level. Made a move initially post-market yesterday, but just been selling off ever since. Really not expecting to trade AAOI at all because of the amount of droppage. There's no support down here. Where are we going to bounce from? So I don't know. Minute and a half to go till the market opens. Not a lot of volume here on SJ, so I would have to see the volume come into it. I'm expecting consolidation. So I don't know. We could look at UVXY, I guess. So it's trading at around $11. Okay, 1091. Yeah, I see that. Let's go look at that. We got this big weird looking candle, but you can see we came up to that level on the daily and now consolidating below it. I mean, I could take a trade on UVXY if we get a break over that 1091 area and we hold it. It's very possible. Okay. Nope. I'm trying to get the frogs out of my throat and they're still there. I don't know about frogs and how to get rid of them. 20 seconds to go till the market opens. Yeah, I hope that within a week I'll be able to make an announcement on about the date of when I'm going to go live and trade real money in the market every morning. That is up and coming sooner rather than later. So the market's open. We are moving through that $6 daily level, if you recall. We could actually put a level there just so we remember. 593. Now you can see on the daily here we're trading there. So I don't necessarily want to take a trade off of that level, because on these smaller time frames, oftentimes the price will drop below or above those levels, and they're not good levels to actually place a trade from unless you're trading on the daily time frame, if you're like a swing trader. All right, so AAOI making a move here. Let's see if it can hold up. Maybe there's something here for me. Take a starter there. Looks like the charts are freezing. I'm going to go ahead and jump in UVXY. Are the charts freezing up on me again? So AAOI should have broke by now. I'm probably going to get stopped out on it, I'm thinking. I mean, when I say broke, it should have gone back up by now if it was strong. It should have gone up right away. And then it still could. But look at UVXY now. I'm not going to sell yet. Actually thinking I'm going to add right there on UVXY. Looking for that move up to $11. Okay, I'm back in on AAOI again. There we go. It's trying to go. I need more. I want more. No, it's going to come back down again, is it? I was like right at break even on it. I just wanted a little bit more. I'm going to try it again because I think it has potential. Either that or I'm going to have a big red day on my hands here. That can happen on days like this if I overtrade. Yeah, it doesn't look good for me on AAOI here. I thought with this strength, with this candle here, that we'd see that move up at least to the VWAP. That's what I was looking for. And I didn't get it. And that is unfortunate. So bulls here on UVXY. I want to get over the top of 1097. Halted, looks like, on SJ. Stopped out again on AAOI, down 798 now. So I'm looking for a higher low on UVXY off of 1086. And because I'm looking for a good spot to add. And maybe this is the spot here. Looks like it could be. I'm adding on the way up. Looking for that $11 level. Moving my stop losses all the way up to the bottom here. That 5-minute candle is going to close in about 10 seconds. So I'm holding this, I'm looking for more. Okay, I'm selling a partial there, taking some of the profit at least. I'm going to take a little more there. Just to be protective, I'm going to take some more. I'm going to move my stop losses up to the low of that candle. Looking for $11. There we go. That's $11. So I sold some more. I'm going to sell the rest right there. So that doesn't get me to green on the day, but that gets me to a small loss. And I'm okay with that. Haven't had a red day since the beginning, so I'm okay having a red day. That's fine. Like, I want to get my money back on AAOI, but that's a fool's errand. Unless it turns around and starts trading back up above the VWAP, I'm not going to trade it again. Looks like SJ should be resuming here. I was thinking maybe I should try to buy SJ for a bounce, but no. If there was a real clear level to play off of, I might, but I don't really see anything. And, well, maybe $5. I'll buy off of $5 here and see if we get a bounce on it. There we go, and I'll sell it right there. Okay, that wasn't so bad. So I made 141 bucks on it. A little closer to break even on the day now. So UVXY pulling back to that support. I'm only in it one time because it might break and go down to the VWAP. I'm going to move my stop loss up really tight on this. Yep, stopped out on it. I'm surprised. I guess I had my stop a little too close. Yeah, and see over there in SJ how quickly that dropped back down again. That's why you do not want to hold a stock like that. So I'm in on a UVXY now off the VWAP. I didn't wait for it to come down to the VWAP. If it does, I'll add right there. If it does tap the VWAP and that $10.86 level. I'm actually going to exit that. Took a loss on it. The reason why is because you see this 5-minute candle, long upper wick. It's red. It's about to close. Still got half a minute before it does close, but yeah, I don't like it. So, I mean, it might bounce here, but the odds are not in my favor, and I like to try to take trades where the odds are in my favor. And look at this high red volume here. So that's a red flag. You start seeing high red volume like that on a stock, you start to pay attention to that, because that's a telling sign that the stock might be rolling over soon. You got the same kind of high red volume here. Consolidation, equilibrium here, but like I said, I'm not going to trade AAOI because of the it's below. I mean, that's so tempting right there. You know, I want to jump in on a pullback, but because it's trading below the VWAP and because I've already taken some heavy losses on it, I'm not going to do it. So here's a bounce here now. I'm going to bite. I'm going to buy that. Getting in a little high, but that's fine. Showing some strength here. Selling half just to be protective. I'm going to sell the rest there. It's probably going to make a move back up through the high. That's kind of what I'm thinking here. Yeah, that was a pretty nice bounce off of 1086. Well, yeah, UBXY, I mean, if it can recover and break out over that 5-minute candle, that's pretty impressive. It's a good move for the bulls. So right now, making a little bit of space here, so the bulls could see a pullback on the 1-minute time frame. Anything above 1085 is a higher low. Might see an equilibrium happen here, or this could just end up trying to break right away, but it's an inside bar at the moment. Still plenty of time left on that 5-minute candle. Personally, I would like to see it pull back down into this area as an equilibrium setup. Note the declining volume on the way up. There's $11. That would be a perfect place to top out and to pull back. If it breaks out right away, well, that's a different story. I'm not sure I'd want to buy it then. Sit and watch it for a bit. Well, it looks like it might try to break. Got a double top if nothing else. Still don't like the light volume on the 1-minute time frame though. Holding $11 there, so I'm just going to jump in at once. I'm watching the bid and the ask. Whole lot of sellers on the ask, so I got back out. Didn't make any money on it. I just saw a lot of selling going on. Now I see a lot of buyers coming back in. So based on that, I'm jumping back in it. Still a lot of buyers on the bid. Oops, can't see that 1 minute anymore, but I'm still watching. A lot of buyers here. Still looking good. Go down here, I can show you what I'm looking at. You see that? The bid there? So a lot of sellers now. Sellers going away, coming back. It's a whole lot of shares being traded at this spot. I'm going to get back out, taking a loss on it. I saw the bid start to break down there, so I'm watching the bid here and the ask. Well, I could have taken the profit on it, but I was looking for just a little bit more. I'm going to try it again there. Well, no. So giving back quite a bit of profit on that. I should have looked up and realized that we had a new 5-minute candle forming. I wouldn't have jumped in it if I'd seen that. I don't typically trade by looking at the bid and the ask, but because this is a stock that is a bigger mover, like, I mean, it's like a larger cap type of stock, you know, that sometimes you can think or swim does better with the bid and the ask and stuff with these larger stocks. But the small cap stocks, I don't really rely so much on the price ladder because it doesn't show most of the orders. They're missing data on their price ladder, so it's unreliable. I'm watching that bid again. See if we can break through the high. And I'm adding as it keeps on, as the bid keeps piling up, I keep adding on. I'm looking for that break over 1107. Selling a partial there. Now it's going to backtest that 1107 level probably. And then I want to see a move higher. So what's this here? That's that pre-market. I don't know if that wick is real. That's pretty nice, so I'm taking some profit there. I'm gonna move my stop loss up. Risking $53, 53 bucks on the rest of it. I want to see if it can come up and hit my target. I might try to add on this. A lot of sellers right now, so I'm waiting for those to go away. I saw the bid piling up, that's why I added, but I don't know. We'll see if that works for me. I don't think so. I'm going to get back out. So giving back some of that profit. Well, can we hold that level? I moved my stop loss up. I'm risking $53 again. Doesn't look like it's going to hold it. No, okay. So that's it. I'm going to stop trading right there. I'm going to be down on the day, but that's fine. I'm not down, you know, horrible amount. Probably a daily goal or two. Could have stopped earlier when I was only down by a couple $100, but I was trying to get back to green. I had got to give it a shot, right? You know, part of trading is risking, right? You can't trade if you don't risk. So 393 minus 798 puts me down 405. So that's 2 daily goals down. And that's fine. We can make that back. That's no problem. Just wait. Maybe tomorrow the momentum comes back. We get better looking stocks and then better opportunities. So I'll look forward to that. Thank you for joining me. And we'll see you next time right here at Eva Trades. Bye.